Before diving into your performance lab, you need to know 7 key things that could totally change how you view this product. Whether you're considering it to boost your personal performance or enhance your team's results, I'll break it down for you, so you're fully informed before making a decision. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal the best deal available for this tool that could help you perform at your peak. First up, let's talk about the customization. Your performance lab is built to adapt to your unique needs. Whether you're an individual or a business looking to level up, you'll find that the platform allows you to create personalized plans and goals. You won't get this kind of flexibility with most of its competitors, who tend to offer one-size-fits-all solutions. With this tool, you're in control, tailoring the platform to fit how you work best. Next thing, the data-driven approach. When comparing to competitors like Trainerize or MyPT Hub, your performance lab takes performance tracking to a new level. You're not just inputting data, you're analyzing trends, spotting weaknesses, and targeting areas of improvement in a much deeper way. It uses advanced analytics to give you insights that can guide your decisions, helping you make smarter choices for long-term success. The third thing to consider is its ease of use. Many performance tools out there are overly complex, leaving users frustrated rather than empowered. Your performance lab stands out with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you can get up and running quickly. It's intuitive, which is a huge win in a market where complexity is often a barrier. The fourth thing that sets this product apart is its integration with other platforms. Many competitors fail to connect seamlessly with the tools you already use, making your workflow unnecessarily complicated. Your performance lab, on the other hand, plays well with a variety of apps, including fitness trackers and team management software. This integration means you can get all your data in one place, without juggling multiple apps. Another thing you'll want to know is the customer support. The support team at your performance lab is top-notch. Unlike other performance platforms where support feels more like an afterthought, this company offers real-time help whenever you need it. Whether you have a question about a feature or need technical assistance, their team is responsive and helpful, making sure you're not left in the dark. The sixth thing is scalability. Whether you're just one person or managing a team of hundreds, your performance lab grows with you. Unlike smaller competitors that are limited in scope, this platform can scale up as your needs evolve. You can start simple and expand into more advanced features as you grow, which is great for long-term use. And finally, let's talk pricing. One of the best things about your performance lab is its affordability. When you compare it to high-end solutions like Trainerize, it comes at a fraction of the cost, but still offers most of the same powerful features. It's a great option for both individuals and businesses on a budget, and it doesn't compromise on value. And to top it all off, you can try it completely free, which you won't find with some of the competitors. If you're looking to take your performance to the next level, I highly recommend giving your performance lab a try. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the first link in the description for the best offer available, including a free trial and some exclusive benefits. That way, you can get started risk-free and see if this is the right tool for you.